Hello everyone! If you ever find water pooling in the footwell of your car, it means there's a spot where water is leaking into the cabin from the outside. As you might remember from my previous videos, my entire interior was flooded. So in this video, I'll go over 5 places where water can enter your car. The first place is the sunroof. As you can see, my car doesn't have one, but many vehicles do, and a sunroof can sometimes leak. There are also drainage holes around it, which, if clogged, can cause water to enter the cabin instead of draining outside. The second place is the drainage holes. Every car has them in the engine bay to allow water running off the windshield to drain outside. If these drains get clogged, water will accumulate in the engine bay and eventually find its way into the cabin. It can seep in through the cabin air filter, gaps in the seals, or other openings. Besides the engine bay drains, there's also a drain for the air conditioning system. Condensation from the AC is supposed to drain outside. If you lift the carpet, you'll find a small hose that channels this water under the car. If this hose gets clogged, the water will leak directly into the driver's or passenger's footwell. The third place is the cabin air filter. In my Audi A6 C5, the filter is located right under the windshield. When water runs off the windshield, it can get under the plastic trim and drip directly onto the cabin filter. From there, it can seep into the interior. Additionally, the filter housing has a cover with a gasket. Over time, this gasket deteriorates, dries out, and loses its seal. Water that accumulates in the engine bay can then leak into the cabin through this worn-out gasket. The fourth place is the engine control module ECM. In my car, it's located in the engine bay near the windshield. As I showed in previous videos, when the drains got clogged, water built up and started leaking into the cabin through the ECM's gasket. If you lift the ECM housing, you'll find a sealing gasket underneath. If the drains are blocked, water can seep into the cabin through this gasket. Water can also enter through the wiring harness seal and travel through the connectors into the cabin. The fifth place is the hood release cable. It's usually located in the left corner of the engine bay and passes through a rubber grommet. Over time, this grommet can dry out and crack. When it rains, water running off the windshield into the engine bay can leak through these cracks and into the cabin. See you in the next videos. Bye.